Welcome to the Sandvik Coromant tailor-made web instructional video. Sandvik Coromant introduces thousands of new tools, holders, and inserts every year. Yet, sometimes that exact dimension you require might be missing. If so, simply turn to our services for customized tools. From our service, you can expect quick quotation, easy ordering, performance guarantee for given product and cutting data, and competitive delivery times. Please note, you will need to be registered on our site to use this online service. If you need a web account, you can always create one on the web or contact our customer service department. Lastly, if you are an end user that buys through a channel or distributor, we ask that you reach out to your local distributor to quote these tailor-made items for you. To begin, head to our website. In the upper right-hand corner, click on Login/Register. Once you do that, simply input your email address as well as your password. Once logged in, click on the drop-down arrow next to My Page. Under My Page, head to the section that says My Customizations. You should now see the My Customizations screen. Here you can see any tailor-made parts you may have created previously. By checking this box, you can see any special-made parts quoted by anyone who works at your specific company. For demonstration purposes, we will proceed by clicking on the gray box that says Start Customizing. The next screen is where we will begin customizing. You will see a multitude of options: drilling tools, milling tools, parting and grooving, tooling systems, and solid round tools. In this demonstration, I will be creating a solid round tool. Once selected, you will be presented by selecting your type of drill. Here I'm going to select a single diameter. Next, you will choose whether an internal or external coolant is needed. I'm going to select external. Next, we will input our cutter diameter. I'm going to use 12 millimeters. Next, type in your point angle. Here I'm going to use the recommended value of 140 degrees. Next, you can select if there are lengths to be retrieved from a standard part. Since I want to make my tool more customized to my needs, I'm going to select No User Input. Next, we can select which lengths are to be used as an input. Again, I'm going to use the recommended value of both overall and chip flute length. After, we can enter our flute length. I will be using 97 millimeters. Then we can type in our overall length. I will be using 220 millimeters. Lastly, we are prompted if we need a tooling certificate, an inspection report, or both. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to select none. Once selected, you can go over on the left-hand side and click on Save, which is highlighted in blue. After selecting Save, your tailor-made part will begin to process. It will take between 2 and 20 minutes for your part to be fully loaded into the system. Once complete, you will see your unique tailor-made part number listed at the top. You will be able to see a diagram of your newly created special part, as well as all the technical aspects. Below the part, you will be able to see the quantities as well as the price breaks and lead times. At the bottom, you can see your product code as well as the material number for your tailor-made tool. If you desire a quantity that is not initially generated, you can type in a new quantity in the field right above the Add to Cart button. Once you type in the quantity, simply hit Update. This will add your new quantity as well as the new price and lead time. Now you can hit the shopping cart icon to add the tool to your shopping cart. Once this is done, you can click on the shopping cart icon in the upper right-hand corner to access your shopping cart. Once in your cart, scroll to the bottom and you will see what is currently in your cart. Here you will see the tailor-made item we just created. If you select See Details, you will be able to see the breakdown of information about your tailor-made item. Then we can select Checkout to finish ordering. With our tailor-made web service, you also have the option of creating a special tool from an existing standard part. For example, I'm going to start out with a standard 460 drill. Once the drill loads, near the top next to the part number, we can see there is a tab that says Customize. If we click this, it will take us to the screen where we can customize the tool. Note, we will get a message in orange that states the tool we are making is already a prompted standard This would prevent you from creating a custom tool that we already offer as a standard. In this case, we know the part we are starting with is a standard, so we can close out that message. So for the sake of demonstration, let's say the only thing I want to change is the cutting diameter on the standard. I can click on cutting diameter. I will use 17.25 millimeters. Once this loads, we can go ahead and click Save, which is highlighted in blue. This will again prompt us to the next screen where it generates our item. Once the processing period is over, you will see we now have our tailor-made 460 drill. Another tip you will want to know is how to share your newly created part. Once you have your part loaded up, over on the right-hand side you will see an orange icon with a plus sign. When you click on this, you have the option of sharing the link to your tailor-made item through multiple media platforms. In this scenario, I'm going to select email. Once you click this, your email server will automatically load up an email with your link already generated in the email body. Simply add in the recipient of your email, a subject, and any text that you may want to provide in the body. Then hit send. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration and overview of Sandvik Coromant's tailor-made web functionality. Thank you.